Okay, for 75 we have multiple choice. We could just guess. We have a 25% chance, but let's not do that. Okay, so they want us to factor, right? So it's 6m squared plus 7m minus 5. So let's factor, right? 6m squared, that could be m, and 6m, 2m, 3m. And then the negative 5 over here is a 1 and a negative 5, or a negative 1 and a positive 5. And then we have to reverse the columns, right? So let's reverse this one. 6m and m, and 3m and 2m. And now we're looking for outers multiplied plus inners multiplied to give us a positive 7m, right? So if I go through these, I can see that this one and this one, the outers are 2m, right? If I take the outer ones, that's 2m times 5. And if I add that to the inners, which is 3m times negative 1, that's 10m minus 3m is 7m, right? So that one works. So this factors to 2m and 3m, and then minus 1 and plus 5. So it says which one of these are factors. So 2m minus 1 isn't there. 3m plus 5 is right here, so it's choice D.